Hi guys,
Xin chào các bạn.
It's Tina and Mum here. Welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys have been saying that you guys love seeing my mum on my channel, so I have her here with me. And I thought it'd be a really fun idea to give her a makeover. She's been bugging me to give her one for a while, and now that I'm back in Sydney, I thought, you know what, today's the day. And as you guys can see, Mum has lovely long luscious hair, super thick, and it's really healthy. She's been growing it out for years, but she wants a change. It's getting to that point that it's so heavy on her. Con nói là tóc mẹ dưỡng cũng mấy năm rồi để nó dài như vậy, mà cấp này nó hơi giống như nặng quá. Rồi mẹ muốn thay kiểu, phải không? So I'm gonna go take her to my hairdresser to change up her style. I don't know how short we're going to go yet. And then I'm going to take her shopping for a new outfit and then, of course, do her makeup. So you guys will see like the full-blown transformation.
All that I want is more than you can give me. All that I need is a simple life. I don't need no problems. No, I just want sunny skies. I cannot live without you by my side. Don't give up, don't you give up on me. Don't give up, don't you give up on me. Don't give up, don't you give up on me. Don't give up, don't you give up, don't you give up on me. Don't you give up on me. All that I want is someone to rely on. All that I need is an honest friend. I don't need no trouble. Come and take me by the hand. Without you I am just a broken man. Don't give up, don't you give up on me. Don't give up, don't you give up on me. Don't give up, don't you give up on me. Don't give up, don't you give up, don't you give up on me. You are what my heart desires.
Look at her. Mẹ thích không? Trời ơi, khoái quá. Very nice. She's so happy. She loves her hair. She was a little bit worried before about the color, like dyeing it, because she's never had highlights or bleached her hair. But she looks amazing. Now we're gonna go find an outfit for Mum.
We live a lush life, champagne, gold rain. We get to be everything that we wanna be. Running that red light, slide through, fast car, Malibu. I just want you rolling with me. Now what you wanna do, go to the movies. We could buy a banana, make a strawberry smoothie. Ayy, now we could catch the sun and we'll still be hotter. Clink, clink on a yacht, make it wine out of water. Now I'm tipsy, spending money, anything you want, I got it. Hop the first plane out of sight, so high, we only smoking the best. But all I need is you, and your body. All this money don't mean nothing without you, give me honey. All this money, time to breathe the sweet air. Top floor, penthouse, hey Pierre, where's the caviar? You want some finger food? Let's take down the moon, melt it down and make a fondue. So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Ayy, we could stay out late after dark. Take a gamble in Monaco, we could swim with the sharks. Now I'm tipsy, spending money, anything you want, I got it. Hop the first plane out of sight, so high, we only smoking the best. But all I need is you, and your body. All this money don't mean nothing without you, give me honey. All this money don't mean nothing without you. I flex, it's a habit, but I gotta have it. What I want, I grab it, throw it in the bag.
Alrighty, now it's time for the big reveal. Are you guys ready to see what my mum looks like? Okay, mum, vô. Cho coi tí. Wow, look at my mom. Mẹ thích cái tóc mẹ không?
Đẹp,
Đẹp không?
rất là đẹp.
I have to give you like a full preview of her look. As you guys can see, Josh did an amazing job with my mum's hair. At first, she was really reluctant on the bleach part and the foils as she's never had her hair bleached. But Josh made the highlights really subtle and it helps to break up all that darkness and gives the hair a little bit more dimension. Also, he chopped off a lot of the length and I feel like it's definitely lifted her look. She looks a lot fresher and I feel like she does definitely look more youthful. As for the dress, we ended up going with this purple lacy dress. I think this color looks fabulous on her skin tone and it's also flattering to her figure. I also got mum another dress, the pink one that she tried on last. This one is a little bit more conservative and I feel like the ruffles are really nice and feminine, plus the color looks really lovely on her. It's really soft and it's one of her favorite colors. As for her makeup, I wanted to keep it quite natural, so I created this sort of like glowy daytime makeup look. For her eyes, I did a simple wash of color with a little bit of shimmer in the center. For her brows, I changed the shape up and made them a lot straighter, as that will make her look younger. And to make her skin glow, I added in some highlight to her cheeks. So what do you guys think of my mum's transformation? How old do you think she looks now? Mẹ nghĩ mẹ nhìn giống bao nhiêu tuổi?
Khoảng 40 tuổi.
Khoảng 40 tuổi, trẻ ra được
12
tuổi. Rồi mẹ thấy cái áo mẹ sao?
Áo mẹ mặc nó nổi, nó
đẹp.
Yeah.
At first she was really reluctant to choose this dress because she was like, oh, there's a little bit of cleavage, I'm too old for this. But I think she looks really hot. I think it brings out her figure a lot more than what she normally wears. Thì con thấy mẹ mặc cái áo này nó, cái dáng mẹ nó đẹp hơn.
Nó sáng.
Cái da mẹ nó nổi.
Yeah.
So that's it to this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this makeover transformation video I did with my mum. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also please turn on notifications because from my last few videos, a lot of you guys didn't get notified, so I don't know what happened there. Also, feel free to follow me on Instagram at @teen_Yong, and we'll speak to you guys next time. Bye!